today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, 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 today's gonna be a good day.
For some reason, I didn't record what went on with the Never-est. And basically, in here is your governor clutch. And the center bolt, despite being locked in with a locking plate, had just walked itself out, and so everything was just loose. So I have resecured it with Loctite, torque to spec, 76 pound-feet, and locked it in with the tab again, so it should be good to go. And trying to start it again, it just feels like there's kind of a disconnect somewhere between the recoil and the crankshaft. Like sometimes you pull and it's like it's grabbing. It's not that it's not grabbing, because sometimes it does that too, but it isn't turning the engine. It's going to pop the recoil back off again. There's a nut under there and a woodruff key on the flywheel, and it's actually the flywheel that the starter pawls engage with. So I think either our flywheel has broken or the nuts come loose or something like that. So I'm going to open it up and see what we find. Ooh. Oh, definitely a problem there. It is not connected. Let's get you some. Oh, how convenient. Now you can see that. Look at that. I turn this, and the nut does not turn. I can undo it almost by hand. Almost by hand. But I'm thinking we have a broken key here. This nut should be 60 pound-feet. I just pulled it off with a socket. Oh. Have an old sled, they said. It'll be fun, they said. Who am I kidding? It's fun. Why is it so tight? Is it just the magnets? I think it's just the magnets holding it in place. I hope. Holy magnetized Batman. Whew. I'm not sure this ever had a key. That's nothing but filings where the key should be. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. That's the slot there. And, well, yeah, there used to be something there. I don't know. We're gonna luck out. So that is all that's left of the woodruff key. It's maybe 1/8 of an inch. I'll tell you what, by the time I get this snowmobile listed, it's gonna be just about fully restored. I gotta sell it quick before something else breaks. That's the key. That's all right. Really, a Woodruff key is pretty minimal expense, so I think that's been not working for a while, and that might explain a lot of the issues we've been having. All right, well, there's nothing more I can do with this for tonight. I don't have an assortment of Woodruff keys in my pocket, so I guess that's that for now.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. If everything was good, then you would feel alive.
Trying to find a metric Woodruff key in this town turns out to be nearly impossible. And I can order them singly, but the shipping was, in some cases, literally hundreds of dollars for a $1 part. It was kind of baffling. So Amazon to the rescue, and I got this nice Fuzbaxi brand of Woodruff keys. Far more than I will ever need. I really just need the one, but at least I have some extras. So, and it was pretty inexpensive. What's the quality like in the end? Well, who knows? But these are meant to be sacrificial. I need the smallest size, the 3 by 10 by 3.7. And, you know, I can easily send along a couple of spares just in case. I hope you guys can see what's going on here. I tried to get you the best angle. I hope I can see what's going on here, in fact. It feels like that's about where that needs to be. Yeah, it looks good. Get the flywheel back on here. It'll be interesting once the magnet takes over. Oh, there we are. That wasn't too bad. Nut back on. Okay, let's see how this goes. Torque is only 60 pound-feet, so it's actually not that bad. Ooh, hey-oh. There we go. There we go. Let's see how the spark looks. Keys on. Running on one cylinder. The fuel shut off. I'd say it wants to go. That's kind of what that says to me. Oh no! Oh, the recoil did again. Look at that. I guess this is just my life now. I just, I come home from work and I fix this recoil, try it until it breaks, and then, like it's just a daily thing, I guess. Well, let's see what's going on here. I think I see the problem. The hook on our spring is not in anymore. So this can just kind of spin around as it pleases. Oh, okay. It came out of there. We know what happened. Yep, there it is. We knew that was happening. I think I put this in wrong.